Are golden retrievers prone to sensitivity to loud noises? Golden retrievers are one of the most popular dog breeds worldwide. Known for their friendly and gentle nature, these lovable canines often become beloved family pets. However, just like any other breed, golden retrievers have their own set of unique characteristics and sensitivities. One common trait that some golden retrievers possess is sensitivity to loud noises. In this article, we will explore whether or not golden retrievers are indeed prone to this sensitivity, why it occurs, and how one can help their furry friend overcome it. Firstly, it is important to understand that not all golden retrievers will display sensitivity to loud noises. Each dog is an individual, and some may be more sensitive to certain stimuli than others. However, it has been observed that golden retrievers, as a breed, can commonly show signs of anxiety and fear when exposed to loud noises such as thunderstorms, fireworks, or even household appliances. One reason golden retrievers might be more prone to sensitivity to loud noises is their genetic makeup. It is believed that their ancestors, being hunting dogs, had to rely on their sensitive hearing to detect and retrieve game for their owners. This heightened sense of hearing may make them more susceptible to being startled by loud and sudden sounds. Additionally, the temperament of golden retrievers may contribute to their sensitivity to loud noises. These dogs are known for being highly loyal and loving, often forming deep bonds with their human families. However, this affectionate nature can also mean that golden retrievers are more susceptible to separation anxiety and fear when faced with loud and unfamiliar noises. The strong attachments they form may cause them to feel more protective towards their owners and property, leading to increased vigilance and sensitivity to potential threats. If you suspect that your golden retriever is sensitive to loud noises, there are several signs to look out for. These can include trembling, panting, pacing, hiding, excessive barking, or even destructive behaviors. It is crucial to recognize these signs and address them appropriately, as prolonged exposure to loud noises without any intervention can lead to long-term anxiety and stress-related health issues for your furry friend. Fortunately, there are numerous ways in which you can help your golden retriever cope with their sensitivity to loud noises. One effective strategy is desensitization. This involves gradually exposing your dog to the loud noises that trigger their anxiety, starting at very low volumes and gradually increasing the intensity over time. By associating positive experiences such as treats or playtime with these noises, you can help your dog build a new positive association and reduce their fear. Another technique that can be effective is counterconditioning. This involves redirecting your dog's attention and focus towards something positive during loud noises. For example, you can engage your dog in a game or provide them with a puzzle toy filled with treats to keep them occupied. This way, they learn to associate the loud noise with a positive experience rather than fear or anxiety. Moreover, providing a safe and comforting space for your golden retriever during loud noises can greatly help in reducing their sensitivity. Creating a den-like area with familiar toys, blankets, and bedding can give them a sense of security. This space can also act as a sanctuary where they can retreat to when they feel overwhelmed by the noise. In some cases, seeking professional help from a dog trainer or behaviorist may be necessary. They can provide you with customized strategies to manage and alleviate your golden retriever's sensitivity to loud noises. Additionally, medications can be prescribed by a veterinarian to help your furry friend cope with severe anxiety or phobias. In conclusion, while not all golden retrievers may display sensitivity to loud noises, this trait can be observed in some individuals of the breed. The genetic makeup and affectionate nature of these dogs may contribute to their heightened sensitivity. Recognizing the signs of sensitivity and implementing strategies such as desensitization, counterconditioning, and providing a safe space can greatly help your golden retriever overcome their fear and anxiety. With patience, understanding, and proper intervention, your furry friend can learn to enjoy a peaceful and relaxed environment, even in the presence of loud noises.